Now, moving from the security of the hospital and the lives of people now to a different aspect of security. You risk being fined up to 500,000 shillings and serving a prison term if you hire, employ, or otherwise engage the services of 9 private security firms whose certificates of registration and licenses the government has cancelled, citing breach of the law. If you are a corporate, you risk being fined 2 million shillings. Now, the Private Security Regulatory Authority says it has taken action on 9 firms, namely Victory Protective Services Africa Limited, Victory Consultants Limited, Bedrock Security Services Limited, Bedrock Security Alarm Systems and Product Limited, Senaka East Africa Limited, and there are 4 more, which are Hipora Security Solutions Limited, Salama Fikira International Kenya Limited, Marco Security Limited, and Superb Marketing Solutions Limited. And this is according to Fazul Mahmed, who is the Director General of that state organization. Now, the authority's Director General, that's Fazul Mahmed, as I said, has warned that prospective users or representatives of users of security services must not procure, hire, or otherwise engage security services from the above listed non-compliant private security companies. The authority has taken action on the companies on the grounds that 1, it says that they failed, declined, and or refused to comply with minimum wage regulations. And for the benefit of those who may have missed that, the basic minimum wage, according to the latest notice by the authority, is that every security guard must be paid at least 30,000 shillings for those who are in the Nairobi metropolitan area and 27,183 shillings for those operating outside the Nairobi metropolitan area. Another attribution for the action is that the 9 firms employed and or engaged private security officers who are not in possession of guard force numbers as proof of registration by the authority in accordance with the provisions of the Act. This move, more so on the premise of failure to effect the new minimum wage, whose rates were earlier indicated, is despite the court on 1st of February 2024 blocking security firms from implementing a legal notice increasing the minimum wage. Employment and Labor Relations Court Judge Matthews Ndumanderi directed that responses to the petition be filed within 7 days and the case to be heard on February 12th, which is next Monday.